Thus Avatar. This is the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Here he comes as Lord Rama. Now it happened during that time in Sri Lanka, Ravana was the king of that place and he was creating havoc, a lot of atrocities, because with penance and sacrifices he achieved lot of strength and power, and he had become invincible, only he didn't achieve immortality. Seeing the atrocities, Devtas went to Lord Vishnu and pleaded him to help, because Ravana was troubling not only common people but also saints, sages, Devtas and all the good people. He had everything, but he had become very proud of himself, of his strength. So Lord Vishnu consoled them and said, "Don't worry, I'll come in the form of Ram and all my powers will be with him, but also his three brothers will have some powers from me." Now here in Ayodhya, King Dashrath ruled there and he was heirless. He had no children. So he also performed lot of sacrifices. After that, from his first queen, Kaushalya, he got Ram. Kaikai, the second queen, he got Bharat. And from Sumitra, the third queen, he got Lakshman and Shatrughan. Now they all grew up together. They were very attached to each other and very obedient children. Soon it was the time for Ram to be throned and become a king. King Dashrath was very fond of him and wanted him to become the king. But the destiny had made something else. This is because King Dashrath had made a promise to Queen Kaikai, and soon Rama, instead of being throned, instead of being a king, he was sent to the forest. He was banished. Ram was very obedient and committed. As his father had said, he immediately left the palace and he was accompanied by his young wife Sita, newly married, and his brother Lakshman, and they all left for the forest. They had to stay there for 14 years. Now it happened that Shurpanaka came there. She is Ravan's sister. She found Rama and Sita and Lakshman and she wanted Rama for herself. But Rama said, "I'm already married to Sita, so I cannot obey you." And she was a menace to Sita and wanted to remove her. That time Lakshman and Rama fought with her and Lakshman cut her nose and ears and disfigured her. Hearing this, Ravan became very angry. He was seething with anger and he decided to come and abduct Sita. So, the help of his uncle Maricha, he came from Lanka. He abducted Sita and brought her to Sri Lanka. Now, when Ram and Lakshman came there, they found that Sita was missing. Then they started searching her and got the news that she was in Sri Lanka. They decided to go there and bring back Sita. They were helped by Sugriv, king of the monkeys, and also Varun, the god of ocean. They all helped them to make a bridge across the ocean and reach Sri Lanka. Varun wanted Ram to make that bridge so that it will be better for the future generation and also for prosperity. In Sri Lanka, they had a great fight with Ravan because he was very mighty and strong, and finally Ram was able to kill him. Then he brought Sita and came to Ayodhya back. All the subjects were very happy. So this way Lord Vishnu helped the mankind and established Dharma once again.